Hello friends, I welcome you all in one more knowledgeable interesting video. Today in this video, I will going to talk with you about validity of section 148 notices which were issued primarily after 1st of April 2021. And in this video, I will also going to discuss with you one very interesting order of Delhi High Court. So here the question arises that what's wrong with the validity of section 148 notices that were issued after 1st of April 2021. Let me explain you this. Because from 1st of April 2021 we have altogether a new law, a new scheme of various sections in Income Tax Act 1961 that were introduced in Finance Act 2021 that has completely changed the procedural part of section 148 assessments. In Finance Act 2021, a new section section 148A was inserted that lays down new procedures for issuing notices under section 148. Mudra Finance Limited and Ansal Colors Engineering Says Limited has challenged validity of notice issued under section 148 after 1st of April 2021 before Delhi High Court in a civil writ petition. Mudra Finance Limited and Ansal Colors Engineering Says Private Limited also challenged two notifications issued by Central Board of Direct Taxes. The notification number is 20/2021 and 38/2021. These two notifications talks about extension of time limit of section 148 notices in the previous as per old previous law provisions. So on what ground the notices issued under section 148 after 1st of April 2021, on what ground these notices were challenged before Delhi High Court? Primarily the ground was that the proper procedure was not followed as prescribed in new scheme of sections as prescribed especially in section 148A of Income Tax Act 1961 that was first introduced in Finance Act 2021. So the important ground for challenging validity of the notice was that the proper procedure as prescribed in section 148A, the new procedure has not been followed in issuing section 148 notice. And the validity of notice was also challenged on the ground that the old law was not effective at the time of issuance of section 148 notices because these notices were issued after 1st of April 2021 and Income Tax Department has issued lot many notices under section 148 because from Finance Act 2021 the scheme of arrangement of income escaping assessment has gone revolutionary change. It was also argued in Delhi High Court that just by issuing a clarificatory notification, Central Board of Direct Taxes cannot extend the operation of old provisions of the law. It was also argued before Delhi High Court that the notices issued under section 148 after introduction of section 148A, that was a new section in Income Tax Act 1961, the notices issued were altogether time barred notices. Now here question arises that what Delhi High Court has taken view in this matter. Delhi High Court primarily has taken view in this matter that the notification number 20/2021 and 38/2021 issued by Central Board of Direct Taxes were not as per statutory provisions and these notifications cannot be issued like this because these notifications cannot extend operations of any previous law just by making it a clarificatory notification. And Delhi High Court has also expressed its view that just by issuing a clarificatory notification, no authority can extend operation of any law beyond a particular date for which a new law has been introduced. So finally, in the end line, Delhi High Court granted stay on the notices issued after 1st April 2021, section 148 notices. Delhi High Court has granted stay on operations of all these notices issued under section 148. and the stay has been granted till next date of hearing, that has been fixed on 28th of September 2021. So let's see what will going to happen in Delhi High Court in this next date of hearing. So it was all about an interesting case of civil writ petition filed by two SACs before Delhi High Court for getting relief for undue section 148 notices that were seems to be time barred, and that was seems to be ultra vires of the act, as there are new provisions in the act, and still department is issuing notices as per old scheme of the act, though there are two notifications that these notifications has extended the time limit for issuing notice under section 148. But now the matter is before Delhi High Court. So Delhi High Court may let's see what Delhi High Court will issue in the final order. So thank you for watching this video. If you wish to have the complete order of Delhi High Court relating to this matter, please post your email ID in the comment box. We will send you the order of interim order, especially of this civil writ petition. We will keep coming with such knowledgeable and informational videos. If you really like this video, click on the like button. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to it. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot. Bye.